Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport and manual transmission. You'll notice that you have the full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You will have a 12-way power seat with lumbar support. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls and cycle through the instrument cluster screens. This vehicle comes with a Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, as well as collision mitigation braking system and road departure mitigation. You'll have a nice size display. You'll be able to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Be able to connect up your phone, Bluetooth devices for your music. You'll have dual climate control, USB and power port here, along with the storage compartment. A 6-speed manual transmission. An econ mode for fuel efficient driving, brake hold, and a parking brake. We'll have an additional power port in the center console. Place to store your sunglasses. Capless fuel filler. The vehicle also comes with a backup camera with 3 different views. A nice size trunk with a 60-40 split fold down for the back seats in case you have larger cargo. And under here you'll have your spare tire kit and the spare tire. This is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport and a manual transmission here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.